Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block spam calls and messages on Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and you want to block your spam calls and messages, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app and here just select three dots in the top right corner, select settings and then select caller ID and spam here. Then you just have to enable these two settings, which is the caller and spam ID. And here filter spam call. It will prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. After that, just go back and here you just have to look for any spam call which is disturbing you. Just keep a long press on it, then select block or report spam. And here first you have to enable this one, which is report call as spam, then select block. In this way you can easily block any spam call on your phone. After that, just go back, go to home screen, select messages, and here you just have to look for any spam message which is disturbing you. Just keep a long press on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, select block, and here first enable this one, which is report as spam. Just enable it, then select yes. In this way you can easily block the spam message on your phone. So that's how you can easily block spam calls and messages on your Vivo Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.